Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to promote Clickbank products on Quora. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon that you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Quora is a website where people ask questions, and this is a place where you can have a profile and you can go in and answer questions and get traffic back to your website, to your Clickbank product, and get leads, get sales. It's a absolutely proven way to get free traffic. There's some people that are getting like 10 to 20 leads a day just from Quora. So what you're going to do is figure out, of course, what your niche is. If you go to Clickbank and just click on search, you'll see the most popular products that are selling on Clickbank right now. You know, the gravity right here, 121, is showing that 121 people, affiliates, have sold this product within the last month. So you can see Flat Belly Fix is pretty popular. Let's see, we'll go down to Lean Belly Breakthrough. And they should have an affiliate page which you can use to create an article. And I would recommend that you get a blog. You could just do a free blog and do like a one-page article, and then you'll have your affiliate link within the article. But I would recommend that you have a lead capture page so that you can capture people's email addresses and be able to market to them after that. Otherwise, you're just wasting this free traffic. And then, of course, you can put some banners on your blog, but also use some of the images that they have with the product. So then, if you go to Quora, you would think of the type of questions that someone who was looking to lose belly fat would be searching for. Lean belly breakthrough. So what I would do first before you go to Quora is go to another website to see what kind of questions people are asking. And that website is called answerthepublic.com. So you can just go here. This guy cracks me up. And type in your niche. So we could just type in belly fat. And then we're going to search what are people asking for in that, what kind of questions are they asking for in that niche. This is also good too if you do YouTube videos. So you can create videos around the questions that are being answered, or questions that are being answered. So if you come down here, it'll show you based on like how, why, who, which, when, where. These are questions that people are asking. So then if you go on, click on data, you can see how many searches a month. So you want to find something that is pretty well searched. Let's see if we can find maybe something like, can belly fat be reduced by walking? So you can take that and put it into Quora, which, by the way, I was looking at this earlier, e-commerce companies. How can I make $2,000 per week with just my laptop? So that'd be a good question to answer. So you put, can belly fat be reduced by walking? Oops, I didn't want to do that. Okay, here it is. And if so, how much time should I walk daily? So what you want to do is come in here and answer some questions. So I would recommend, at least for the first couple weeks, answer like 2 a day, but don't put any of your links in there, just to gain credibility and not make it look like you're spamming. And then you would come in and answer like this question: can I reduce belly fat just by walking? If so, when and how much time should I walk daily? You can see what kind of questions or answers people have left. The most popular ones are going to be if you add some images just to make it more interesting. So if you don't know how to answer the question, you can always go to Google and type that exact question in there, see what comes up, read things, put things in your own words, and come up with a really good answer for someone. You can see this person, let's see where their link goes to, Google Play. But again, I would recommend that you have a blog that has a one page of valuable information related to your niche, and then within that blog post you have a link to your lead capture page. Now some people you can see what other people have done, but you want to make sure you don't come off as a spammer. You don't want to just put your link to your sales page in there. You want it to be more like to a lead capture page, or ideally to a website that people can go to and read more about whatever it is, whatever question they're asking. And then after, like I said, after a couple weeks, then you can put some sort of call to action at the end of your answer. So you can also just kind of go through and see what have other people done. And this one's going to their Instagram. To know more, follow me on Instagram. Let's see what this one's doing here. I guess this one doesn't have a link, but so you get the idea. If you do this enough, you will start to get a lot of views on your answers, especially if it's a good answer and it's ranking up there at the top, like the best. Ideally, if you are the first one to answer a question, that would be the best thing. So just keep going in to, again, answer the public, see what kind of questions people are asking, copy paste it into Quora, then just start answering questions, and you're going to obviously learn a lot because you're going to go to Google and be researching some sort of answer that you're going to post in here. But this absolutely works, guys. You can do this for free and start to build up credibility on Quora. It's a very, very highly searched website. People come here all the time to ask questions, and you have the answer to their questions, so they're going to definitely value what you say over time. So I hope you guys found value in this video, how to promote Clickbank products on Quora. There's just kind of a quick overview, but it may be something that you've not thought about because you may not have any money to advertise your Clickbank products. And of course, the quickest way, I believe, is through paid advertising, but this is a long-term strategy. Solo ads can give you some pretty quick traffic and sales. And if you want to be able to learn how to make money, to have money for advertising, I did a video yesterday on a quick way that you can do that. I'll leave that in the link. I'll leave that in the description below this video. And again, if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more information on affiliate marketing and how to make money from home, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.